over here you can see that I have a blank Google slide. And if I were to go ahead and then click on new slide right here, let's say for example, click this, you can see that there's a certain format to it. Even if I were to choose different themes right here that are here as options, what happens is that there's a preset of slide layout that has been set. So if you want to change that out, then what you can do is you can edit the master slides. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around into the option right here. So I'm just going to go around over into view, and then in view, you can see that master is an option. So once I click on this, what happens is that I am in the master slide view. So these are the preset layouts that are there. So you can see that this is the master slide for the title right here. Let's say I want to change the text color. So I'm just going to go around and change it into something like red. And all of these right here, maybe I want to change that out into 1, 2, 3 right here. So now what happens is that if I were to go back, if I were to close down the master slide like this, what happens is that you can see that now the slide has red text. Even if I were to create a new slide right here, you can see that there's a red text right there. And then as I type in, you can see that this is how it looks. So I'm going to go around into view in master, and let's say I want to change all the levels. I'm going to select all by pressing Ctrl A just like that. And I want to change this color into something like blue right here. I'm just going to do the same over here onto this one as well, blue. So if I were to go back right here, close the master slide, you can see that now all of the text, they become blue right there. So now I'm going to go on to around view right here, and I'm going to click on master. And over here to all of the styles that is there for choosing, I can go ahead and edit it out. Let's say I want to edit this out right here. I want to change the layout of this. I want to make it, let's say for example, white. I can simply go ahead and choose it and do the same for this one as well. So I can work around with individual layouts just like this as well. So now you can go ahead, change this out. As you can see, you can change this out right here. Change the layout. You can add in elements. Let's say I'm just going to add in a shape right here just like this, and there you go. So once I close this out, what happens is that I can go around and then click on this, and you can see that the shape is here and the text is white as we chose on the master slide. We can do the same again if we were to create a new slide. That is how we can work around. So that is how we can edit master slides inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.